Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, cool. So for today's video, I thought, you know what? I just went shopping, okay, for like my essentials. Beauty things are never essential, but for some reason, when you go into like a beauty shop, you go in there for one item and you walk out with like 5 different items. But in any case, I'm going to show you guys what I got, and just to prove to you guys that having beautiful makeup doesn't have to be expensive, okay? You need to mix it up, guys. But we need to know. I mean, I feel like Instagram and all that has really like depicted this whole thing of having expensive makeup to look fly, and you really don't, right? It's just about application and using the right tools. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Super affordable, and I can't wait to use them, and I'll show you guys maybe in like another video how I use them. But in any case, so the very first item I got, this is like super essential for me. I can't live without this, and this is boom, brown lip liner. Okay, can't live without brown lip liner. I get this little baby girl literally every month. I buy about 2 just so I don't have to keep going back. Can you imagine? This literally cost me $10, guys. $10 for this little angel over here. I use this to line my lips every single day. You could use it also maybe for your brows, really up to you. But I like to just use this on my lips to line them and then put a nude lipstick on. You can't go wrong. I mean, hello, $10. Like, how much are we saving? I think I'm actually gonna like put a comparison of like a different expensive brand and like show you like how much you could be saving. Anyways, $10 for this little precious little girl. Can't live without her. Second, makeup brushes. Boom. I needed makeup brushes. My makeup brushes are finishing. So my bristles are finishing, so I really want to start collecting makeup brushes, like super expensive ones and also super affordable ones. So these ones were super affordable. These were about $50, guys. I did a video actually just now showing you these brushes, but how pretty are these little girls? Oh goodness gracious. Over here, how gorgeous. Love them, love them, love them. $50. Go to like an expensive place, you're gonna pay $500 for one makeup brush. I'm not against them, I'm just saying you're saving. Okay, thank you very much. Moving on to the next. Boom, blush. I've been needing peach blush. And can I also just mention how difficult it is to find peach blush? No, like for real. Like finding peach blush is not easy. And if you do find it, it's rather pricey. Lucky for me, I got 3 different types of peach blushes. As you can see, that one has more of a pinky tone. This one has more of a rosy tone. And that has also another like bronzy tone. The one above there is a highlighter, which you can obviously use on your cheekbones as a highlighter. So like I literally got like a highlighter and blush all in one. Can't wait to use this. You could even use this as an eyeshadow if you want to go for like a natural look, nothing too hectic. How much was this? $35. Thank you very much. Exactly. I mean, how much is one blush at like, I won't say any stores, but I mean, you can go to like an expensive shop, you're gonna pay what, like $700 for a blush for one color. Here we got what, 4 colors. Please, thank you very much. Sitting there. Next one, boom, gel polish, guys. So since we've had the lockdown from last year, when we had like that serious lockdown, I learned and taught myself how to do my own nails, right? I'm still learning. I'm not that perfect at them, and you know what, I'm okay with that because perfection is overrated anyways. Excuse me. So okay, this color isn't so nice, and also I need to file them. It's been a while, but in any case, I do my nails really well. Okay, now they're sitting here for about 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Don't, like, come on now. In any case, how pretty is this girl? Oh my goodness gracious. It's a nude. I've been looking for a nude for the longest time. I'm gonna open it just to show you. My hands look so dry. Look at that. You see what I mean? It's been rough. It's okay though. No, but look at this. Gorgeous color. Have a look at that. Delicious. It's like this cappuccino milkshake. Oh, and like I could put this on anybody, like any skin tone. So I really can't wait to use this. How much did this cost me? $45. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it, but I can. $45, guys. Save yourself a whole manicure of like $700. Yeah. So yeah, no. Teach yourself how to do your own nails and save a coin. Next one, I needed a top glaze, of course, for my gel. So this one is the what is it? QBD don't even know. QBD UV glaze, stunning, because I obviously needed one. My UV glaze is finished, so I needed this one. Was going for 75 bucks. I think it's a bit pricey. I could have gotten something slightly cheaper. It's okay though, not complaining. It's gonna last me for the whole year, for next year 2022. You see, I'm really like thinking and planning ahead. There we go. Nails are done. I'm just gonna stick it. Well, I don't like that label. I need to move it, so I'll just put it like that. Boom. All right, next one. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Next one is this like gel. I'm not going to open it actually, so you guys can see. I'm sure you've seen these around. So this is the gel. It's actually a brow. Wait, where is the front? This, my friends, is the gel eyebrow cream, right? In dark and in black. I use the black actually for my eyebrows, believe it or not. Actually, no, I'll use it for my gel eyeliner, so not for my brows. And then whatever the residue is on the brush, I use it for my eyebrows. All right, to get that like nice dark eyebrow. And then also, of course, I mean, it comes with the brown if I do clients' makeup, because I do people's makeup. In any case, 2 pot gels, guys, brown and black, for 45 bucks. Like, hello, this is going to last me literally for the whole of 2022. Literally, it's going to last me for 2022. You're probably thinking, oh, that's so gross, why so long? It's not. I sterilize all my products. Thank you very much. So I'm going to put that right over there. Wonderful. So my gel eyeliner is, I'm like sorted for my gel eyeliner and my eyebrows. Boom. Very last, but definitely not least, and I'm sure if you guys know me very well, I can't live without these, and these are my eyelashes. I've never tried these before. I'm not going to show you the price. Okay, so I've never tried these before. I'm putting my finger there because I want to surprise you on the price. But anyways, I normally use the Clicks or Diskim, what's it called? Eyelashes, right? But because I thought I was already there, let me give these ones a try, save a coin, why not? And look at this. It's so hard to find my shape, but I was so excited when I actually found the right shape that I normally like to use. And as you can see, I love it. I love it when it's like short. Oh, not that nail. I love it when it's short and also like long on the very end. So yeah, because sometimes they make them like too long on this, on like both sides, and it just can look like just too much, like your eyes. I like them when they're short, but not too short either, and then like medium, long, and not too long, just right. These are exactly my type of eyelashes, guys. I'm gonna try them on. I'll show you what they look like, not like in this video, please, in the next video. Anyways, boom, eyelashes done. How much are these? 20 bucks. I reuse my eyelashes, just by the way. So if I buy eyelashes, I'm going to make sure that I use them for at least a month, okay? I wash them, I brush them, I put them in the sun, I dry them up. Anyway, so this is my beauty, affordable beauty. Wait, did I forget to mention? Actually, no, never mind. And yeah, so cool. So guys, that is my beauty. Oh, hold on, what is this? Oh, this is my affordable beauty. Wait, what is this? Cool, guys, so this is my affordable beauty, what can I say? What do you call this? Affordable beauty purchase. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Got it over here. I'm going to put the total of how much all of this costs probably somewhere over here, and do a comparison of if you had to go to like somewhere else where they sell expensive makeup, how much you would be saving, guys. I promise you, you don't have to always spend a lot. It's all about technique and knowing just the right products to use. All right, cool bananas, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, and that's about it. Cool, bye.